Weather report. Today it's raining. The wonderful fall weather is still here. The cat's sleeping in the bed on my bed. Her name is Charlie, by the way. It's wonderful weather. Waiting for part 1 to finish exporting. But since we have rain and lovely weather today, that means at long last I can break my coat back out again. Aha. It's still raining, but I've been informed that the car's cover had actually been washed, so I can cover the car for the grinder dust. So I'm gonna get to that now in a minute. Also, Charlie finally woke up. So, back to work. Unfortunately, I won't be using my coat because the weather's nice, but we still live in Texas, so it's humid. So, to work. One moment, please. I'll be right back. I need some music for this. Alright, my existence won't only be suffering now, so I got music now, haha. file the tang down some. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm done. I've got the whole thing distal tapered, beveled. May need some more work on the bevels, but it's done. This will probably be the shortest video in the series because I'll have most of the things here sped up massively. But this was the hardest day of work yet, simply because of all the filing I had to do. Hard to focus with music. Alright. Got all that done. Headache's starting to come on a bit, probably didn't drink enough water. That's really all for now, though. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing to see our future videos and to see how this project will turn out. And that's really all for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time.